Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shamin Arif and I learn AI and student of Rehan College. Today I am here as a facilitator. Today we have our guest with us. Thank you so much Arisha for joining us. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. How are you, Shameen?
I am fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good.
Okay. तो अरिशिया आप अपना शॉर्ट सा इंट्रो दीजिए ताकि हमारे देखने वाले व्यूवर्स आपके बारे में जान सकें
जी, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Arshia Nasreen, also known as Arshia Education Wali from Kampala, Uganda. I'm a level 1 student at Rehani AI Teachers Training Institute under the guidance of Ms. Ziram Mushtaq Education Wali and Ms. Nargis Training Wali. I have done my MSc in botany as well as environmental sciences along with BEd, and also I'm pursuing MA English. And recently I have joined the Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute to achieve knowledge in AI, artificial intelligence, so that I can integrate AI and modern technology into the field of education. So that was my
ओके
short intro.
ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर इंटरव्यू तो अरिशिया मेरा आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट एआई इन एजुकेशन
So AI is one of the most transformative innovations in the modern education. So it has a potential to personalize learning, bridge educational gaps, and make quality education more accessible than ever before. Like before, we were unable to access this technology in the education field. Like it was not very easy for us to access whatever the in the field of education, but now it's more accessible. And it's not only merely the transfer of knowledge, it is also about like it is inspiring curiosity, nurturing character, and building meaningful human relationships. Like we have built a very strong relationship with AI, artificial intelligence. So now this is it's changing the way of education. We are moving from the traditional education towards the modern education. For example, we are using the new technologies in classroom, like digital boards. We are using the tabs, and even the online education is also there, which is very easily accessible to everyone.
ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे विल एआई रिप्लेस टीचर्स इन द फ्यूचर
No, not at all. AI cannot replace teachers because AI is here for the teachers to guide them, to help them. AI acts as an assistant for teachers. So, as a teacher, even I can say AI is not going to replace teacher unless we can use it as an assistant. So, for using our making our lectures for making in the classroom, we can make the interactive classroom by using the AI tools to deliver our lectures, and also we can use it as a personal growth. And AI has like AI will empower them to become more effective educators to our students, so we can use to enhance the teaching in the field of education. So it is not going to replace teachers. Either we can become as a facilitators.
ओके हाउ कैन एआई हेल्प टीचर्स इन क्लासरूम्स
Yeah, as and now only I have said like AI is AI help teachers in generating lesson plans, in creating quizzes, in making assignments, grading assignments, and also analyzing the students' performance data. Like we can give the instant feedback to the students wherever they are doing the mistakes, and also it allows us to use the more meaningful classroom discussions. Like we can guide the students, we can improve their creativity by individual learning needs, etc.
ओके what are the biggest advantage of AI in education
There are so many advantages of AI in education. First of all, the AI is personalized. So AI sees the needs of the student, wherever they are weak, whether they are like it gives you the answers according to your IQ level. Whatever your IQ level is there, whether you are weak, then it guides you in that manner. Whether you are sharp, then it guides you in that manner. So even it can give you immediate feedback, and it gives you 24 by 7 support, like whenever you are either you are studying at night. So if you have any doubt, then AI can help you. AI can guide you at that time also, where the teacher cannot guide you at that time, night time. So it is 24 by 7 available for you. Also, it can help identify learning gaps. Also, it can improve academic outcomes, etc.
Okay. What role will teachers have in AI education system?
Teachers have a big role in AI educational system. They act as a mentors, they can act as facilitators, and they can act as learning architects. So, rather focusing solely on delivering the content, they will guide students in developing their critical thinking. They can guide them in their creativity. They can guide them in the ethical reasoning, collaboration, etc. So they can learn. Teachers can help learners to in every field and apply knowledge in real world situations.
Okay. Can I student understand AI emotions like teachers?
Mm, like you are saying, AI can understand the emotions like teachers understand.
Yes.
No, AI cannot understand the emotions. That is the main difference between the teachers and the AI. So AI is a robot. AI is an artificial intelligence. Okay, so it's a machine. We can say it as a machine. So machines doesn't have emotions at all. How the teacher can understand mentally, physically to a student, AI cannot understand the student.
Okay. How does AI make learning easier for students?
AI has made learning already easier for students. Like we have said that they give personalized learning plans, study plans. They give AI can give instant feedback to the student. It can help in their assessments. It can help in their educational experience. It can help in their projects wherever they are stuck in an academic. So we have many educational platforms, so the student can visit those platforms and can improve his learning. It can The student can watch many times and get their doubts solved. And wherever they are getting the mistakes, AI can recognize the mistakes of the students, and AI can build the confidence in the students, etc.
Okay. What skills should teacher learn because of AI?
Teachers should learn how to control AI, how to use the tools of AI, like digital skills. Then AI assisted teaching tools are there, like data interpretation is there, then instructional design is there, etc. are there. Equally important are human centered skills such as creativity, communication, leadership, emotional intelligence. Along with the AI tools, teachers must have these skills also.
Okay. Will AI reduce the importance of teachers?
No, it will increase the importance of teachers, because as a teacher, as a facilitator, we can guide the students the importance of AI, how to use the AI in their education, how to use AI in their daily life. Like they can help them critically solve their problems. Then they can teach them how to use the technology responsibly. Like they can show them the negative impacts of AI, they can show the positive impacts of AI, and they can recommend them to use the positive side of the AI. So according to me, it will increase the importance of teacher, not it will not decrease.
Okay. How can teachers and AI work together?
Teachers and AI can work most effectively together. They can combine the strength of both AI and teachers. If they are combined, then it is going to be a strong bond between them. AI can help the analyzing the data analysis, personalized instruction, and as administrative task, while teachers can focus on mentoring, like inspiring the students, like they can encourage the student, they help the student for the collaboration and etc. So both them, if they combine together, they are going to do something more better than the ever.
What are the limitations of AI in education?
Limitations of AI in education, for example, the first limitation is we don't have any network problem, network connectivity. So we should have the sources. Like for example, you should have a smartphone, you should have a laptop for the use of the AI. If you don't have these gadgets, these electronics items, then you are unable to use AI. So this is the limitation of AI.
Okay. How will AI change the teaching profession?
Um, AI cannot change the teaching profession, but AI can enhance the teaching profession, according to me. So it can give more ideas, it can give more qualities for teachers. So, according to me, we can enhance our learning, we can enhance our lectures, so that we can give and deliver those lectures properly in our class, so it will enhance the profession of the teaching.
Okay. Why are teachers still important in the age of AI?
Like as we said in the earlier, as I have said you earlier, that teachers are very important in the age of AI, because teachers act as a facilitator. Teachers should be there to guide the students. Teachers should be there to guide the to inspire the students, wherever they are going wrong, and to teach them how to use AI responsibly. So it is must for the teacher to be there in the age of AI.
Okay. Can AI create a better education system?
Yes, of course, AI can create more better education system, by making it more accessible and personalized, as we have discussed above. So, successful education system needs both the technology and the skilled teachers. Along with the technology, we also need the skilled and trained teachers. So, it is necessary for the teachers to be trained first, to train then to train their students.
How can AI support weak students?
AI can support weak students very well, like by giving them whatever the lesson plans, whatever the sorry, not lesson plans, study plans for them to practice, or to they can provide extra practice. AI can give extra resources. For example, like we have many education platforms where we can learn at our own pace. Okay, so we don't have to be we have flexible timings. Flexibility is there. AI is also giving flexibility to the weak students, so they can learn at their own pace, at their own time. And the AI also sees the IQ level of the weak students, and according to that, it makes the questions, and it makes the answers very easily understandable for the students, weak students.
Okay. What is the future of teacher with AI?
Future of teacher with AI is very bright. So, as a teacher, we are going to learn many AI technology, many tools, and we are going to use those tools in like polishing our education, in polishing our profession, as well as the polishing the future.
How can AI improve online education system?
Eh,
आपको मेरी वॉइस आ रही है?
okay, so AI can improve online education system very well. Like we are using. जी जी अभी आ रही. Now you can hear me. Hello.
मैं दोबारा रिपीट करती हूँ क्वेश्चन, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी अभी आ रही है.
चले मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर देती हूँ. हाउ कैन AI improve ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन?
AI can improve online education in many ways. Like AI can provide virtual assistants. AI can give personalized courses based on the IQ level of the student, like we have discussed. There are weak students. They are like intelligent students. So he can provide the study plans according to their IQ level. Then AI also give instant feedbacks to the students. So wherever they are going wrong, they can improve their mistakes. So also AI supports interactive learning experience. So it's more engaging with AI, and it is also going to improve a lot, inshallah, in coming years.
Okay, thank you so much, Arshia, for sharing your valuable thoughts and experience.
Okay, thank you to you too for calling me. It's my pleasure to come here and have a conversation with you. It was great conversation with you, Shameen Arif AI Wali. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.